Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy FLOKI INU token on Trustwallet. But before I start, please subscribe my channel because I want to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Now we can begin our video tutorial. So I want to tell you guys that I'm not financial advisor. It's just video tutorial how to buy this new token. So go to CoinMarketCap and check out this new token. It's called FLOKI INU, and you can look the analytics and decide you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then you can close CoinMarketCap and go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free. After you download and go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy FLOKI INU token you need to swap your Ethereum. Go to Ethereum and buy Ethereum here. Click buy Ethereum, choose the amount and buy it on Trustwallet. Or you can send Ethereum from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet account. Go to Ethereum, click receive, copy the wallet and send Ethereum from any other markets. Now let's go back, and now we need to copy the contract address, which is down below. Here you can see Ethereum contract address. Click copy and go back to Trustwallet. Now click dApps and we should go to Uniswap. Click select the token, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago, and import this FLOKI INU token here. Click import, choose the amount of FLOKI INU and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you.